Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Wizz Air claim. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this short tutorial all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's jump into it. First thing you actually want to do is head over to this information and services part of the website, and then from here you want to look for prices and discounts and then go down to refunds and compensation. So in order to actually make your claim, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to look for this option that says, how can I submit a claim? It says here, please fill in the claim form and pay special attention to select the relevant category. You will receive a unique ID. Please refer to this. They will do their best to process your inquiry as soon as possible, and you'll certainly get an answer from them within 30 days. So you can click here to go to the claim form, and then you'll open up a new tab. Now you will have to log in to actually submit this form. So you want to log into the account that made the booking that you're trying to make the claim for. And then from there, you can fill out the form. They will ask questions about what flight it was and also some details about yourself. And then from there, you can easily check the status of your claim by heading over to the Wizz accounts claim section. And then you'll be able to track the progress of your claim. So that's how you can make a Wizz Air claim. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.